Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Welcome back to my home. Today I am showing you one of my favorite dishes to make on the Blackstone. Now I love this dish because you can chop up all your veggies days beforehand for a quick weeknight dinner. You can even alter the vegetables you use by switching them out with your favorite or whatever you have on hand. With fresh garlic and herbs, my favorite cheese, and a good quality olive oil, this dish is sure to impress all your friends around the table. Come, let me show you how I make it.